Properties of triangle. Properties of triangles. Right? The name itself shows that we have to discuss some of the triangles. Okay. Now, suppose if I consider this is a triangle A, B, C. What is this capital ABC? ABC are the vertices, isn't it? So the side opposite to the vertex A is nothing but your small. The side opposite to the vertex B is small. The side opposite to the vertex is small. Right? So it means that small ABC are the sides, capital ABC are the vertices. So based on this, we will define the perimeter of the triangle ABC. So what is the perimeter of the triangle ABC? Perimeter of the triangle is denoted by 2s is equal to sum of the sets, that is A plus B plus C. Right? So 2s is equal to A plus B plus C. So this is called the perimeter of the triangle. So semi-perimeter is semi-perimeter of the triangle is small s is equal to A plus B plus C. Is it clear? So perimeter is sum of the sides. Semi-perimeter is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So based on this, we have derived some of the formulas. You have already studied in your intermediate. As this is a class to refresh the subject what you have studied in intermediate. We have already taken the classes for Eamcet. So this is only a brush up class. I just review all the formulae within a short time. Then directly goes to the numerical question. So we have derived one formula named as sine rule. Right? This is my first formula. This is second formula. SINE. Sine rule. What is sine rule? A by sine A is equal to small b by sine B is equal to small c by sine C is equal to 2 capital R. Right? Small a by sine A equal to small b by sine B equal to small c by sine C, 2 capital R, where this capital R is called the circumradius. Right? Capital R is nothing but it is the circumradius. Okay? Is it clear? So second formula is cos rule. Cos rule, or you can say cosine rule. First, second. So this is my third formula. Cosine rule. What is my cosine rule? Cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Cos B equal to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. And cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Is it clear? So this formula is also very important. If you want to do some adjustment, then you can write the values from this as a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Similarly, b square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ac cos b, and c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos. Then next formula is called the tangent rule. Tangent rule, right? Tangent rule, or it is also called Napier's analogy, or Napier's analogy. The formula is like this: tan a minus b by 2 is equal to a minus b by a plus b into cot c. Tan b minus c is equal to tan a minus b by 2 is equal to a minus b by a plus b into cot c by 2. Tan b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c by b plus c into cot a by 2. So you want to write a minus b means here a minus b by a plus b will come. What is the remaining angle? C. So cot c will come this side, right? Similarly, tan of c minus a by 2 is equal to c minus a by c plus a into cot a. Is it clear? So this is about the tangent rule, right? Next is next formula is this is 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth is projection. Projection formula. A is equal to b cos c plus c cos. If I want to write the value of small a, I have to write bc. Then reverse of bc is c. Similarly, b equal to a cos c plus c cos. C is equal to a cos b plus b cos c. Is it clear? Then area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC is denoted by delta is equal to, it is in terms of sides, that is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, or delta is also equal to ABC by 4r, or delta is also equal to half AB sin c is equal to half BC sin a is equal to half CA sin b. So these are the formulae for the area of the triangle, right? So according to our need, I have to select a formula. One more formula is that delta is also equal to 2r square sin a sin b and sin c. Is it clear? Then next is some more formulae are there in terms of half angle. That is sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2, cos a by 2, cos b by 2, cos c by 2, tan a by 2, tan b by 2, tan c by 2, cot a by 2, cot b by 2, cos c by 2. So whenever it requirement is come, I will explain that formula, right? Then next formula is, you know that there is a circle named as E circle. So small r is equal to delta by s. So this small r is called in radius. What is key? R, one more value of R in terms of angle is 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2, right? So the value of R is equal to 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 in terms of angle, whereas R equal delta by S, it is in terms of delta and S. Similarly, x radius R1 equal to delta by S minus A is equal to 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 and cos C. R3 is equal to delta by S minus C equal to 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C. Right? Next, there is a relationship between small r, R1, R2, R3, that is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R. And one more relationship is delta square is equal to delta square is R into R1 into R2 into R3, right? So at least we must be perfect in this formula, right? And delta square is equal to R1 R2 R3. One more is there, that is R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 is equal to small f square, and R into R1 plus R2 R into R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to AB plus BC plus CA minus S square. Is it clear? So these are the various formulae of this chapter. It is a small introduction. Then I will directly come to the problems. Okay. In a triangle ABC, first question. In a triangle ABC, sigma B square minus C square by A into cos is equal to, the options are S, 0, delta and 2 delta. Right? What is the question? Sigma B square minus C square by A into cos. Now, here I don't want to go for the usual method, what we have studied in your regular classes. What the usual method means? You can write B square is equal to 4R square sin square A, 4R square sin square B minus 4R square sin square C divided by A equal to 2R sin A. And then after 2-3 steps, you have to substitute the value of cos and so on. Then you have to simplify and get the answer. So that is a lengthy method. I don't want to go through that method. So as in the problem, it is clearly mentioned that in a triangle ABC. So what is suppose this triangle is an isosceles triangle, right? This triangle is an isosceles triangle, right? So suppose this is an equilateral triangle. What about in equilateral triangle? A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60. That is, angles are equal, which is equal to 60 degrees. This implies that their sides A is equal to B equal to C is equal to 1. The sides are also equal, right? So if I substitute this in the problem and you get the answer within 2 or 3 seconds. Okay. For example, sigma b square minus c square. What is b? 1. 1 minus 1? 0. 0 by a. A is equal to 1. Into a. What is a? Cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So, this is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 sin cos 30 root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2, right? This is nothing but cos 60 is half. So 0 into something, the answer is 0. Okay. So my option is second option. Is it clear? So see, within one step only you got the answer, right? Similarly, second question. In a triangle ABC, this is a repeated question. In a triangle ABC, sigma AQ into cos of B minus C is equal to, the options are ABC, 2ABC, 3ABC, and fourth option is 0, right? Here also, what I am doing, I am using the same technique, that is shortcut formula, right? So, what is my shortcut formula? So, A is equal to B equal to C is equal to 60 and A equal to B equal to C equal to 1, right? Therefore, LHS is equal to sigma of A is equal to 1, right? Into cos B minus C, 60 minus 60, 60 minus 60, that is 0, right? So, cos 0 is 1. So, this is nothing but sigma 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, if I simplify, the left hand side, I am getting the answer is 3. Is it clear? Here, sigma is not required. So, similarly, if I simplify the RHS, there is no RHS. I have to verify the option. Suppose if I substitute A is equal to B equal to C is equal to 1, what I am getting in the first option? 1. Second option, 2. Whereas in third option, A is equal to 1, B equal to 1, C is equal to 1. Means 3 of ABC is equal to 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. So which gives me 3. So which is satisfying to my the given problem, that is LHS. What is the value of which is satisfying to the given question, that is what is the given question? A cube of Q cos of B minus C. It's a basic thing. Therefore, both are same. Therefore, this is my answer is third. Is it clear? See, if you remember the shortcut, the magic is very easy. You can solve the question within less time. Now, come to the next question. In a triangle ABC, if A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos is equal to 2 delta by K, then K is equal to, the options are small r, capital R, small s, and capital R square. What is the question? A cos A plus B cos A plus C cos C is equal to 2 delta by K. I have to find the value of K. So, again, here also, I use the same technique. Considering the triangle is equilateral triangle, then what is A is equal to 1 into cos A. Cos A is equal to cos 60 degree. So, 1 into cos 60 degree plus 1 into cos 60 is equal to 2 delta by k. Right? So cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into delta by k. So as I told you, the value of delta is equal to root 3 by 4. So delta is equal to root 3 by 4. So 2 into root 3 by 4 into k. Right? 2 as it is, k as it is, delta equal to root 3 by 4. So this is 2 ones are 2 twos are cancelled. These 2 ones are 2 twos are cancelled. So what is the value of k? K equal to root 3 by root 3. K will go to the numerator. Root 3 will remain as it is. This coming to the denominator. Root a by a is nothing but 1 by root a. Therefore, we know that the value of r is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is not the correct answer. This is the correct one because capital R is equal to 1 by root 3. So you have to remember this result also. R is equal to 1 by root 3. Is it clear? So within 2 steps only you got the answer. Next, of a triangle R in the ratio of 3:5:10. Then the ratio of the smallest side to the greatest side is, the options are 1:10. Second is 1:2:10. Third one is 1:10. Fourth one is 1:2:10. All these are degrees. If I have not written means it is understood. So what the question says, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:5:10. Then you have to find the ratio of the smallest side to the greatest side. Okay. Now write down the solution. So what is given? Angles are given. So let angles are A is to B is to C is equal to 3:5:10. Right? Which is equal to some x. Therefore, this implies that A equal to 3x, B equal to 5x, C is equal to 10x. But we know that A plus B plus C is equal to how much? 180 degree. If I add them, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 10, 18. So 18x is equal to 180 degree. So it means that x is equal to 10. So I got the value of x. So if I substitute here, what happened? A is equal to 3 into 10, 30. B is equal to 50. And C is equal to 100. Now, we conclude the angles. A is 30 degree, B is 50 degree, C is 100. So, which is the smallest one? 30 degree. Which is the greatest one? 100. So, we know that the side opposite to the smallest side is the small. The side opposite to the smallest side is the smallest angle. And the angle greatest side to the greatest is the greatest. The angle opposite to the greatest side is the greatest angle. So I am interested in finding the value of smallest side to the greatest side. So what angle I have to consider? Smallest side. Which is smallest side? A. Which is greatest side? C. Therefore, A is equal to C. A is to A is to C. Is what is A by sine rule? 2R sine A. What is C? 2R sine C. So 2R cancel. What is A? Sine 30 degree. What is C? Sine 100 degree. Right? So this implies that sine 30 1 by 2. But sine 100, we don't have any value for sine 100. So sine 100 can be written as sine 90 plus 10. Sine 90 plus 10 is equal to cos 10. So this I can write as cos 10. So this implies that 1 is to 2 cos 10. Is it clear? So this is nothing but 1 is to 2 cos 10. If I just transfer this, so I am getting the answer as 1 is to 2 cos 10, which is my third option. Is it clear? So this is also very important question and it is repeated one. If the question asks again, you may change the angles and ask in the same. Okay. Now come to the next question. In a triangle ABC, A minus B whole square into cos square C/2 plus A plus B whole square into sin square C/2. The options are C, 2C, C by 2 and C square. So here what I am doing, what is given? A minus B whole square into cos square C by 2 plus A plus B whole square into sin square C by 2. A minus B whole square, this can be written as A square plus B square minus 2AB, right? Into, I think this is cos square C by 2. Cos square C by 2 plus A square plus B square plus 2AB into sin square C by 2 is equal to, if I take out A square plus B square common, right? A square plus B square, A square plus B square common, what is inside? Here cos square by 2, here sin square by 2. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1, right? Similarly, if I take out minus 2AB outside, what is inside? Cos square C by 2 minus sin square C by 2. Open this, minus cos square C by 2 minus C minus plus. So which is nothing but A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is cos square C by 2 minus sin square C by 2 is nothing but cos C. So if you remember the formula of cosine rule, that is C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Therefore, the answer is, what is my answer? That is C square. So, fourth option. Tan A by 2 is equal to 5 by 6 and tan C by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Then the options are, first is A comma C comma B are in AP. Second one, A comma B comma C are in AP. Third one, B comma A comma C are in AP. Fourth one, A comma B comma C are in GP, right? So tan A by 2 into tan C by 2 is given. So we have to find the relation between them, right? Suppose solution what I am doing? Tan A by 2 into tan C by 2 is equal to 5 by 6 into 2 by 5. Right? So, what is the value of tan A by 2? That is delta by S into S minus C. What is tan C by 2? Delta by S into S minus C. Here 5 cancel, 2 other 2 6 are. That is 1 by 3. So, what is this? Delta into delta. Delta square. So, delta square is nothing but S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So, I am writing that value. Okay. Delta square is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now, if you see the denominator, what is the denominator? Denominator consists of S into S minus A, S minus C. But there is no S minus B. So, if I get a S minus B in the denominator, then my work is easy. So, I can cancel this denominator with the delta square. Therefore, it will be simplified very early. So, what I am doing, I am multiplying and dividing by S minus B. So, what happens? See, delta square into S minus B by S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is nothing but by delta square. So, what does remain? S. So, delta square cancel is equal to 1 by 3. Or, if I cross multiply, what happened? 3S minus 3S minus 3B is equal to S. So, 3S minus S, 2S is equal to 3B. 2S is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to 3B, or A plus C is equal to 2B. So, 2B is equal to A plus C. So, 2B is equal to A plus C means this is the condition of A comma B comma C are in AP, right? So, 2B is equal to A plus C is a condition for AP. Therefore, what is my answer? Which option? First, second, that is ABC are in AP. Second option. Okay. If you turn the earlier side, so this is my option. Answer, right? Second answer. Seventh question is, in a triangle ABC, 4 are cos A by 2, cos B by 2 into cos C. Options are delta, S, small r and 2s. Now, again, if I consider it is an equilateral triangle, so I can use the same conditions what we have used in the previous case. Okay. So, what are the conditions? A is equal to B is equal to C. Solution. A is equal to B equal to C is equal to 60 degree. So, 4 into R. Now, I have given the value of R also. What is the value of R? R is equal to 1 by root 3. Right? So, R is equal to 1 by root 3. Right? 4 into R. R is equal to 1 by root 3. So, 4 into 1 by root 3 into A. A is equal to 60. 60 by 2, 30. Cos 30. Root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2 to root 3 by 2. 3 by 4. This 4 cancel. Root 3 cancel. So, what is the answer? I am getting as 3 by 2. So, 3 by 2 is nothing but your S. So, my answer is second option. Right? In a triangle ABC, if quad A by 2 is to quad B by 2 is to quad C by 2 is equal to 1 is to 4 is to 15. Then the greatest is 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 5 by 6 and 2 pi by 3. Right? What is given? Angles and their ratio, that is quad A by 2 is to quad B by 2 is to quad C by 2 is equal to 1 is to 4 is to 15 is given. So, there is a shortcut formula. I don't want to use the long method. There is a shortcut formula, that is, suppose quad A by 2 is to quad B by 2 is to quad C by 2 is equal to 1 is to 4 is to 15. Right? If this is x given, quad A by 2 is to quad B by 2 is to quad C by 2 is equal to 1 is to 4 is to 15. If I consider this as x, this is y, and this is z, and suppose these are the sides A, B, and C, then there is a formula, that is A is equal to y plus z, B is equal to z plus x, and C is equal to x plus y. Right? Therefore, y plus z is nothing but 4 plus 15 is 19. 4 plus 15 is nothing but 19. Okay? So, A is equal to 19. Now, z plus x, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. X plus 5 is equal to 3. So, what he is asking? Greatest angle. So, as we know that the opposite to the greatest side is the greatest angle. The opposite to the least side is the least angle. So, what is the greatest side? 90. Therefore, what is opposite to small a? That is capital A. Therefore, cos A is equal to B square plus C square. Cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2 BC. Right? Now, this gives me substitute this value, B square plus C square minus A square to BC. That is 361. Right? Plus C. C is nothing but 5. 5 square is 25. Minus 16. 16 square is 256. Right? So, 361 plus 25. Right? Minus 256. Which gives me 5 plus 1, 6, 130 divided by 2BC. What is 2 into B is 16 into 5. So that is 2 into 16 into 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. This is nothing but 2BC. 2 into 16 into 5. So 5 2s are 10. So this is 10 into how much? 361. Add this plus 25 minus a square. B square plus c square minus a square. What is b? 16. Right? B is 16. That is 256. This is 256. B is not just 16. 16 is equal to 256 plus c square 25 minus 361 divided by 2 into 16 into 5. Right? Therefore, 256 plus 25. Okay? 256 plus 25 minus 361 is equal to how much? 80. That is minus 80 divided by 2 into 16 into 5. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. 10 8s are 80. So 8 ones are 8 2s are. So this is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is belong to which angle in cos 60? So this is nothing but cos of 120. It means that cos A is equal to cos 120. Therefore, A is equal to 120 degree. That is, the answer is 2 pi by 3. That is fourth option. Is it clear? So you see, so within 2 steps, you can simplify this. Now, come to the next question. Two sides of a triangle. Two sides of a triangle are given by the roots of the equation. Roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. And the angle between the sides is pi by 3. Full stop. Then the perimeter of the triangle, is, first option is 5 plus root 2, second is 5 plus root 3, third is 5 plus root 5, fourth is 5 plus root 7. Now you see the question, what he says, two sides of a triangle are given by the roots of the equations. So one quadratic equation is given. When he says quadratic equation, you know that there are two roots. So these two roots are represent to the two sides of the triangle, and the angle between them is given as pi by 3. So angle between them is pi by 3. So we have to find the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Okay. Now, so first of all, what I have to do, I have to find the roots of the given equation. Okay. So x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. If I solve, what are the roots? 6x square minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Right? Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. 3 2 is 6. So the roots are 2 and 3. Right? Therefore, this implies that the roots are 2 and 3. Right? So it means that one root is 3, one root is 2, another root is 3. Therefore, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Right? And he has given the angle between them is something pi by 3. So therefore, C square is equal to, this is the formula, C square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos c. If I substitute the value here, 4 plus 9 minus 2 into 2 into 3 into cos c. That is cos 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is nothing but 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means these two and these two cancel. 9 plus 4, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So it means that C is equal to root 7. Therefore, perimeter of the triangle is nothing but sum of the sides, that is A plus B plus C, that is 2 plus 3 plus C, that is 5 plus root 7. Is it clear? So, what is my option? That is fourth option, that is 5 plus root 7. The perimeter of a triangle ABC, the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 6 times the arithmetic mean of the sine SINE is sine of its angles. Full stop. If the side small a is unity 1, then the angle capital A is, options are 5 by 6, 5 by 3, 5 by 2, and the last option is 5. Previously, 5-6 years back also this question was asked. Again, the same question repeated without any change. Now, what is the question? What the question says? The perimeter of a triangle ABC is 6 times the arithmetic mean of each sine the opposite angle. Sine of his angles means, what are the angles? A, B, C. Sine of the angle means sine A, sine B, sine C. Right? 6 times means you have to multiply by 6. And 6 times the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means you know that sum of the values divided by number of values. Right? Therefore, perimeter of the triangle ABC. What is perimeter of the triangle ABC? That is small a plus b plus c. Okay? So I am writing the same thing. Small a plus small b plus small c. Nothing but your perimeter, which is equal to 6 times the arithmetic mean of the sine of the angles. What are sine of the angles? Sine A plus sine B plus sine C. Right? By arithmetic means these are the 3 values. Therefore, divided by 3. Is it clear? So, if you understand this step, then your answer is easy. You can solve the question very easily. So, read the sentence properly and write the first step clearly. Now, this small a can be written as 2r sin a, small b equal to 2r sin b, small c equal to 2r sin c. So, if I take out 2r common, what is inside? Sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 3 1 3 2 the cancel. 2 times into sin a plus sin b plus sin c. Now, you see that from both sides, sin a plus sin b plus sin c, sin a plus sin b, sin c cancel. So, this gives me capital R is equal to 1, right? And he has given that side A is 1. So, if I write what he is asking, then the angle A, therefore, A is equal to 2R, A is equal to 2R sin A. So, 1 is equal to 2 into, what is capital R? 1, that is 2 into sin A. It means that 1 by 2 is equal to sin A. So, what is the value of sin A? Is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to how much? Sin 30 degree, right? So this implies that sine 30 is nothing but sine 30 is equal to sine A. It means that A is equal to 30. 30 is nothing but pi by 6. So what is my answer? First option, right? So what is the answer? First option, that is 60 degree. Sorry, 30 degree, that is pi by 6. Is it clear? Next, if 3a is equal to b plus c, then cot b by 2 into cot c by 2 is equal to 3a is equal to b plus c, then cot b by 2 to cot c by 2 is equal to, options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now write down the solution. What is given? 3a equal to b plus c, right? If I add a on both sides, if I add on a on both sides, adding a on both sides, this is nothing but 4a is equal to a plus b plus c, or 4a is equal to a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Therefore, it means that s is equal to, s is equal to 2a, right? Now, basically, I am interested in finding the value of cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. So this is half angle. Therefore, I am writing the value in terms of half. That is s into s minus b by 2, s into s minus b by delta, into s into s minus c by delta, right? So, what is this s into s minus b into s minus c by delta? Which in the denominator I am having delta square. I am having delta square. So, in the numerator also, I want to cancel this delta square. So, there is a requirement of s minus a, right? There is a requirement of s minus a in the numerator. So, what I am doing, multiply and divide by s minus a. So, this gives me s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus, right? S into s minus a, s minus b. What is the leftover? S by delta square into s minus a. Now you observe that delta square with this whole thing cancel. So this is nothing but s by s minus b, right? So what is s? 2a, right? S is equal to 2a by s is equal to 2s is equal to 2 ones are 2 to the cancel. So s is equal to 2a, right? Therefore, what is in the denominator? S minus a. So if I multiply and divide by, if I multiply and divide by 2, so this becomes 2s by 2s, 2s by 2s minus 2b, 2s by 2s minus 2b, s is equal to 2a, s is equal to 2a, 2a minus b, but this is nothing but s minus a. Oh, this is nothing but s minus a, there is no b. So s is equal to again 2s sorry, S is equal to 2a minus a. S is equal to 2a minus a. So 2a by 2a minus a is a cancel. Therefore, my answer is 2. That is second option. Is it clear? So, what is given? Basically, it is given as 3a equal to b plus c. We want the value of part b by 2, part c by 2. It is independent of a, b, c, and c. And the answer is in terms of numeric. There it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what I have done, in the given condition, I have added a on both sides. That is, adding a on both sides. So, this 3a plus a becomes 4a. 4a equal to a plus b plus c. 4a equal to a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. So 2 ones are 2 2s are cancel. So which gives me s is equal to 2a. Now the given question is cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. I have substituted the value in terms of half angle. That is s into s minus b by delta, s into s minus c by delta. Now if I want to cancel delta square from the denominator, I need some term in the numerator. What is the missing term? That is s minus a is missing. So if I multiply and divide by s minus a, the question is solved. So I am doing the same thing, that is multiply and dividing by s minus a. So this becomes s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus a. One s will be left over. It remains as it is. By delta into delta square this s minus a. Okay. Now you see that delta square is nothing but s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, which is cancel each other. What is it remain in the numerator s, in the denominator s minus a. But we have come to a conclusion that s is equal to 2a. Therefore, I am substituting that value. S is equal to 2a by 2a minus a. 2a will remain as it is. 2a minus a is equal to a cancel, which gives me 2. So, which coincides with my second option. Right? So, this is the end of today's class. In the next class, we will continue some more questions with some new concept. Okay? Thank you. Wish you all the best.